This smartphone magnifier is something I wanted to buy for a long time. When I was browsing using my Amazon app, this thing just popped on my Amazon app, and I told myself, let me give it a shot since it costs only $12. If you're interested to buy something like this, let me test it out, give you my opinion. I would recommend it based on my experience, so watch this video till the end. And if you're interested to buy, you guys will find the link in the description box from Amazon, and I believe it will cost you around 12 to 13 US dollars. Make sure to subscribe to Variety Stick if you haven't. Give me a thumbs up, and without any further ado, let's find out. Now, the whole idea of buying this to make your phone screen look bigger, we have magnifier and we have a stand. You can stand your phone. If your phone like 4-inch up to 7-inch, the stand should take it, and the size of the magnifier sheet over here will be up to 12-inch, which is decent in my opinion. I have read some of the instruction over here about how the install it and what phones should be compatible. So if you have Android or iPhone and your phone doesn't exceed 7-inch for the screen, you should be good to go. And also you have to keep distance from like 3 feet, which is 1 meter, or up to 2 meters, and you will be able to watch your content just good. If you want to be very close to it, that's not something gonna give you the best experience based on the instruction that they have on the box. Let me go ahead and do the unboxing. Now we have pull from here, so that will pull out the magnifier, and then we have stand over here, so we should stand the phone, and we just have to put this thing just like this, and then we need to put the smartphone. Let me finish the unboxing, see if it comes with anything else just before we continue. I believe we don't have anything on the box. We will have some instructions, and as I said, that will give you the instruction how you install it and what you need to do to get the best experience, which is I'm going to test for you. Now, the setup was very straightforward. All you have to do, pull the magnifier, stand your phone, and you should be able to watch your phone with a larger screen. And I have two problems, honestly. The first one, that you have to look from certain angle. So if you're trying to look from the side, probably like this won't work if two people want to watch this movie with you, because they're not going to have the best angle. The second problem, that's the reflection will be shown on the screen, and this is going to be very annoying. Other than that, the whole idea of magnifying your screen to your smartphone, it works, and it seems to me the quality is very high. I can see the content just fine. So if I want to put it next to the bed when I want to sleep and I have the angle, this should be perfect, and it's not that pricey as well. For $12, I believe this is a good buy. If you guys are interested, you will find the link in the description box below, and for more videos like this in the future, make sure to subscribe to Variety Stick. Give me a thumbs up, and we'll talk to you in the next video.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, gotta